Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Roshade for Roblox. So all you simply need to do is open up a web browser, go to roshade.com, click on the download option. Once the download is complete, open up the installer and follow the instructions on your display. Once you've done so, open a new browser window and go to the GitHub repository at github.com/codydevelop slash roshade dash pro dash free. Click on the code button and then select download the zip to download the preset files from the repository. Once the download is complete, extract the files from the zip folder to a specific location, as you can see here. Note that your username should be replaced with your actual Windows username, as you can see here on the display. And that's it. Now you've done it. You've gone ahead and downloaded Roshade for Roblox. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.